Hello, today I wanted to walk you through how you can get HubSpot on your mobile and tablet devices. As you can see here, HubSpot is available as a native app on both the App Store for Apple devices as well as Google Play for Android devices. Really great tool to be able to use your great HubSpot data while on the road. You would click on that HubSpot app, and as you can see, you've got all the great things that you can do um, from your desktop computer through the HubSpot application through the browser. You can also do through the native application on your phone or tablet. So some of the things that you have here are all the open deals, dashboards that you might want to see. So all the different things that are kind of within your dashboards, so you can see reporting there. If you need to quickly jump in and see a customer that you've been working with, you can click on their contact record, make a phone call directly from that, send an email, so on and so forth. If you're out and about and you want to create a new lead or contact or a note while you're out there, you can do that. You can also, another great efficiency tool is you can actually create a record directly from a business card. So if I click scan business card and I hit allow here, I'm gonna click on this, and that's my business card. I'm gonna click that, and as I do that, it's gonna read my card and then create a record with my first name, my title, my email address, my phone number, and the website. This is awesome. So it's really kind of made that process of creating a new record in the system really easy from your mobile device. And I'm actually going to cancel out of that. And then of course you can search for any record in the system directly from here. So if I want to find any of the recent things that I've been working on or our company record inside of the database, you're going to see all the different people associated, contacts, companies, any deals that are open in the system, so on and so forth. So really powerful tool. It allows you access to your customer and prospect data from anywhere at any time and makes it really convenient when you're on the road quite a bit.